Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a little bit about the FitBit Versa. My sons bought me this for my birthday. It just arrived today, so the only thing we did was just look at, we just broke the seal on the box and looked at it, but I didn't do anything else. So it comes in this box here, and you open it up, okay, and you have your brochure, I guess, or your manual. And let me see, it should be looks like probably the Get Started guide. And now this is the rose gold. Comes with this band, and it comes with, let me see here, one second, let me pull this up. Okay, so it comes with the charger, and it gets the dock for the watch right there. Has a nice long cord, so, and everything is protected with plastic. So I do have this in the USB, and now this is the watch. It does come with two bands, like I said, so if you need a longer band, you just put this side on, and it's longer. It's a silicone band, and I have I did buy screen protectors for it, but I didn't even know. Let's see here. This Ethan may need Luke. So I'm going to take this plastic off. That was just covering it, and then this is how it fits in the charger. So if you can see, let me just move my camera over a little bit. Okay, so, I think it's going through all of the languages. Okay, I'm sorry. So I think I have to fix which language I want it to go into, is what I think I have to do. Let me just see here. Oh, to start, download the FitBit app. So I'm just going to do that on my iPhone, and let me just go to the App Store. Okay guys, so I downloaded the app. I thought I was recording, but I'll just show it to you. It's the FitBit app right here. And hey there, welcome to FitBit. So now we're just going to join FitBit. I used to be there, but we're going to choose now. See, you see Versa, Ionic, Charge 2. So we have a Versa, and that's what we're setting up. So we're going to click Setup. Okay, so I got back into my account. I deleted the old tracker that I had from 4 years ago, and I'm just going to set up my Versa. Okay, so live your best life with Versa, set up, read our terms and conditions, I agree, set aside 30 minutes, charge your Versa to 50% and keep charging throughout setup. Ensure access to reliable Wi-Fi that does not require browser authentication. Okay. Got that. Keep the Versa charging throughout the setup process. Place the Versa into the charging cradle by pinching the bottom of the clip and aligning the gold contacts. Pinching the bottom of the clip and aligning the gold contacts. Oh, okay, yeah. So it is set up there, and it's at least 50% with the battery. It's over that. Looks like it's almost 70 or 80. So I just hit next on there, and it says it's searching for my Versa. Okay, and it's found it. It's connecting to tracker. Okay, enter the number on your Versa's display. So right here, we're going to enter 2991. Okay. And it's connecting to the FitBit. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Let me put the camera down a little bit so you can see that as well. Okay, so it connected, got the nice green check mark there. Bluetooth pairing request, Versa would like to pair, so we'll click pair, and it's pairing. Click next. Okay, it's going to go on to my networks. So I'm just going to put it on the right one. So we've got the green check mark there. Versa is now connected to home. process can take over 30 minutes. We're going to start the update. Okay, so check out the awesome things you can do with your watch. Track your activity, wear your watch your way, get notifications, optimize your workouts, and music on the go. Feel free to use your phone during this update. Just a reminder to keep it close to Versa. Okay. So it says setting up Versa, and right over here we see it's downloading at 5%. So I'm going to let that go all the way to it's 10. Okay, I don't think it's going to take as long as they said, but I'm going to let it update, and then I'll get back on the camera because I just don't think you need to be waiting all this time. Okay guys, so we are done. It's installing, setting up the Versa now. It's not downloading anymore, so I'm just showing you this next process is installing it. Okay, so it says my Versa is ready now. And it's charged, like you can see here, to 96%. So I'm going to let it go the whole 100% because it has a 4-day battery life, which is really great. But let's see what it says here. Okay, so it says my Versa is ready. Track my activity. Okay. Let's go back. Versa's ready. Continue. It's the moment your wrist has been waiting for. Throughout the day, wear your watch loosely enough to move up and down your wrist. Okay. Okay, so when I take off, it says start. It says follow these tips. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my wrist. So I can move it up and down my wrist. So I'm going to keep it. That's with the first band. If you need a bigger band, they do put a bigger band in the box, and they give you instructions on how to get it out. So let's tap here, start, follow these. Nothing new here. I'm all caught up. Okay, to remove the side belt pin, okay, this is how, if we have to change it, we don't have to do that right now, but you just slide it in and out, and you can get different colors and stuff like that. Play around. Place your Versa on your wrist and follow these tips and helpful instructions. Swipe up from the bottom of the clock face to access the Today app for your health and activity. Press left button to exit. Okay. Welcome. Congratulations on taking the next step towards your goals. Use your Fitbit to track your progress. Okay, so of course I don't have any progress because I have just put this on. But you're going to see my steps, my heart rate, settings, tips and tricks, inspiration. Okay, swipe up from the bottom. And let me see here, because I'm trying to do stuff on this too, because just setting it up I have to swipe down from the top or press and hold the top right button to view your notifications. Press and hold the back button to access your music. Okay, swipe left to see your apps. Clean your band and wrist regularly with a soap-free cleanser. If Versa gets wet, remove and dry completely after your activity. Take your watch off. You can swim with it, so of course it's going to get wet, but I guess you hang it up. Learn about Versa. Okay, so I'm going to play around with it. I wanted to show it to you real quick. I'm going to get it set up, and then I'll come back and show you more. Thanks for watching again. This is the FitBit Versa. This is in the rose gold. Comes in many different colors for men or women, so you can check it out. Okay, so in here, setup, I can pick the clock faces. Pick a clock. Okay, so that's a clock. Let's go to all clocks. Pick a new clock. Okay. And I can pick a clock, but I kind of like that clock. So I'm going to choose it, take the settings. What are we going to do for settings? Change the color and theme of the clock. So let's Let's do purple. And okay, clock details. Go to how to use. Okay, and here's going to give us all of our from the basics down to the table of contents, daily goals, sleep, silent alarms, reminders to move, exercise, connected GPS, heart rate, FitBit coach, notifications, guided breathing sessions, clock faces, wear and care tips, changing wristbands. So you see everything you have here. You've got this guide, music, payments, power tray, apps, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So I am going to go into this and play around, but I just wanted you to see that. And I just saw my watch go on. So I have to change that because we're on 2200 hours, I guess, some military time. All right, I will show you more later. Thanks for watching, guys.